In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your featured section on your LinkedIn profile. This video is primarily for the class that I'm teaching through Johns Hopkins University, the LinkedIn Mastery class. However, it's for anybody who wants to learn how to set up your featured section on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to go to your profile page. You're going to go into the start a post function, okay? And all we're going to do is make a regular post, all right? But I am going to set this up. I'm going to edit document. So we're going to choose a file, and here I created a post just for here we go. All right, craft your standout LinkedIn profile. So I'm uploading this document right now. This is going to be part of the post. All right. Now we want to add a description. All right. And we have 10 essential. That's going to be too long. All right. So we're going to do crafting your standout LinkedIn profile. Done. Up. All right. And there we go. So now we can add more copy. All right, so we have a strong online presence is indispensable, yada, 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 some good marketing copy. We're going to change this up in this coaching guide. All right, so here is our guide. It's about 14 pages. And we'll say something else. Let's get this guy. This guide with your LinkedIn network. All right, so we have some good copy here. We're encouraging them to share this guide with your network, and we're going to post it. All right, so we posted this. Now we know that this post is live. And what we're going to do is we're going to go right up here to this little ellipses here, the little 3 dots, okay? And from there, once you've made a post on LinkedIn, now you can add it to your featured profile, your featured area. If you don't have a featured area already, this is how you're going to create that featured area. Okay, so once again, we've just made a post. All right, you're going to go to the 3 dots up here, feature on top of profile, and it says your item has been featured on your profile. See featured. All right, so now we're back to our profile. Give it a second to load. All right, so here you can see we just made that post and it's live, okay? And it's right here in the featured area. Now, do you want to edit your featured area? Do you want to move things around? And you can do that right here with this pencil button. And if you ever want to add more, then that's when you're going to add the plus sign. Okay, so first you have to create the featured area, which is what we just did a moment ago. We created the featured area. Now that the featured area has been created, now it's always going to be here. Anytime you want to add more posts, maybe an article you've written, a podcast interview, a special video, a presentation, now you can start going to the plus sign and adding more, okay? But if you want to edit, we'll go to that little pencil button, and now we can start moving things around, okay? We can, maybe we want to make this, what else we have here? Oh, here we go. Okay, so now we can reorder them from here, okay? So we're gonna click these buttons right here, the arrows, and then from here we can reorder. All right, so let's see what that looks like. So now we've made the quizzes first, and here the crafting your standout LinkedIn profile guide is last, but we don't want to do that. We want that to be first. So we'll go back here, we'll go into the arrows to reorder them, and we grab it like this, and we drag it up. All right, now we can see it's at the top. We go back to the featured area, and there it is. So these are our 3 featured posts or featured articles or featured elements on your profile. And that's how you create your featured area. That's how you edit the featured area. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And if you're not following me on LinkedIn, then make sure you send a connection request or find me and follow me on LinkedIn. I also have a newsletter that I distribute bi-weekly, so you'll definitely want to subscribe to that. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks and be excellent. Bye bye.